I'm sure you have opened up your TikTok application today and even scrolled through the timeline watching several of videos. Now, if you're not making money via TikTok, then you're wrong because in this particular video today, I'm going to show you how to start up a TikTok account and grow it to over 50,000 followers and at the same time monetize that particular TikTok account so that you can start earning money from that very space. I don't see the need or the reason you should be scrolling through TikTok every other day without earning any money for yourself. But after this video today, you're going to be able to learn how to set up a side hustle that can earn you up to $1,000 every other month from your TikTok app using 3 major tools I'm going to be sharing with you guys all through this video today. Now, it's important you actually watch this video step by step to the very end and do not miss even a second, because what I'm going to share with you guys today is something you can do by simply working from home and from your own comfort, and it's very flexible and requires very little of your time. So you can actually be a side hustle that you can actually dedicate about 2 to 3 hours every other day, and in less than 30 minutes of interval you are able to create series of content that can actually fetch you money right from your TikTok app. Now, this makes this video very complete because I'm going to be sharing with you guys, 1, how to set up your TikTok account, 2, how to grow your TikTok accounts to earning over 50 or 100,000 followers, and also how to monetize it, because in the end, there is no reason to grow a following without making money via that particular channel. Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. Here I share with you guys those tips and tricks and strategies that will actually help you to start up and scale your own online business. And if you're new to this channel, I am so glad you're seeing this video for the first time, and you should actually make sure you join the family so that you do not miss every of those videos I share with you guys on how to start up an online side hustle for yourself and scale it to over $1,000 every other month. Now, there are 3 major tools I'm going to be teaching you guys in this particular video today. But in order to get started with this, one of the very major things we are going to be getting started with on TikTok is understanding the niche, right? You need to ask yourself, what niche do you want to get started with? Now, a niche is simply a segment of the market. We have people that are interested in so many things, but then you need to focus on one particular thing, which is going to form exactly what your content is going to be around, and then next, what particular product or set of products you're going to be selling via their account. Now, for this particular video today, and for the purpose of keeping this particular video straight to the point, we are going to be sticking to the motivation niche. Now, all you want to do right now is to go ahead and you set up your own TikTok account. And because we are setting up this particular TikTok account in the motivation niche, I'm going to jump straight up on ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to suggest me a couple of TikTok account titles that this particular account is going to be at. So I would say suggest 10 TikTok account names for an account in the self-help / motivation niche. Okay, so you guys can see that it is suggesting 10 names for me. So I can actually choose any of these names right now and use it to set up a TikTok account for myself. Now, setting up a TikTok account is actually very simple. Now, using TikTok on your mobile phone, you can proceed to set up your account. But the major thing here is the fact that we want to target US audience directly, because they are the ones that are most likely going to buy our products, right? There's already a plan or a flow on which we want to go, and this is our target audience. So if you're actually a Nigerian or in several aspects of the world, you can simply use a VPN to set up that account that you want to set up for yourself. Now, there might actually be a couple of risks when setting up your account, but it depends on the type of VPN they're going to be using. And for this particular process, I'm going to be recommending a particular VPN, which I'm going to be leaving the link right down there in the description of this particular video. Use the particular VPN and set up your account on TikTok right there. And once you're done setting up your account, you want to use one of the names that ChatGPT has been able to help us create, right? So pick up one here, anyone. It could be Positivity Suite. And once you've picked up this particular name, your account is fully set up and you're good to go. Now, the second step here is to start creating content. Now, because we're in the motivation niche, we want to create a series of content in this particular space. And for this particular purpose, I'm going to go up on YouTube right now and I'm going to look out for morning motivation. Okay? Now, once I look up for morning motivation, you are going to see a lot of motivational, content right here. But then, guys, the major thing is the fact that when you're looking for these motivational videos from YouTube, you are going to be getting a lot of them with music content. I just want the voice. I just want the person that is actually, reading out these motivational speeches, and that is it. So I'm going to search for morning motivation without music, right? So I actually have a couple of them here. And I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, so let it play on now.
I need to
win one day.
So you guys can see right now that this voice is playing without any music. Now, what I'm going to do here is to go ahead and copy this particular video. Now, once I have that particular YouTube video link copied, I'm going to come over to this particular website, ytmp3.nu, and this is going to help me to download this particular video in MP3. Now, MP3 is just the audio file. I want just the audio file. I don't want the video file, and I'm just going to select this and click on convert. Now, it's going to proceed to convert this, and I can download this particular document. So you can see here, I'm downloading this file now in MP3, and if I open it up, it's going to just open up Now, once we've done that, we want to proceed to the next step, where we are going to be accessing a website that will help us to start creating a compilation of several videos around this for our TikTok account. Now, what I want to do here is to proceed to the tool I use, which is veed.io, veed.io. Now, once you're here, you can proceed to create your own account, sign up and log in. And once you've done that, you can come over to this place and create a project. Now, once you've actually clicked on create a project, you want to come over here and you want to select some, there are several stock videos here, and you want to select any of them. So I'm going to select this one right now. And once I select this particular video, it's going to open up right here on this page. Now, we have a video, right? We have a video, but then we want to now add our voiceover and, several other things. Now, the major thing we want to add right now is the audio file, which we are going to collect from our desktop. We've downloaded this earlier, and we want to collect this. And once we have this in, we are going to play it.
I need to constantly remind myself over and over again, I am not yet where I want to be, but I know I'll get there.
Awesome. So you guys can see what we've actually done right now, and this is very okay and fine. And once we are here with this particular video, we've listened to it. We want to make a couple of edits here and there. And what I want to do right now with this file is to split it and cut off the parts that there is, no sound, right? I've cut that off, and I'll drag this back in so that this video file is just going to start from the voice. Okay, so now you guys are going to notice that there is an existing, soundtrack that is being played on this particular voice. So this means that there is no need for me to create my own soundtrack or add my own sound effects right here. And all I'm just going to do right now is to play around with the stock videos that is available on this particular tool, veed.io. Now, I can actually play this sound.
I need to constantly remind myself.
And with this particular sound being played, I can proceed right now and add a new video file. So I'm just going to come over to media. And once I come over to media, I'm just going to proceed to this particular search and look for running, someone that is running, right? This is a motivational file, so you just need several clips around people that are actively doing stuff. Okay, so I have this, and it's going to be added here right now, and we all can see the way it would go. So I'm just going to play this again.
I need to constantly remind myself over and over again, I am not yet.
So I want to add someone that is skipping. Yep. I want to add a man skipping right here. So let me see if this is going to work very fine. Awesome. Now you're going to see that there is a black tone on all of these videos right here. And I just want to keep up with that. Okay. Just want to keep up with that. So I'm going to proceed.
I need to constantly remind myself over and over again, I am not yet where I want to be.
So once we have that, I would go back and pick up people in the gym, okay, and still keeping up with the black tone of the video. I'm gonna add the next one right here. So let's play this now and see if we have about 15 seconds of this video right here.
I need to constantly remind myself over and over again, I am not yet where I want to be, but I know I'll get there.
Okay, so with this right here, we want to do something which is very, very important before we proceed. we want to make sure that this particular video is in the right frame for TikTok, okay? So for this video, I am just going to proceed to switch it over to TikTok Shorts, which is 9:16. So you guys can see right here. And at this point, I can proceed to split everything here. I'll split it out, split this one here. This is where I'm going to be stopping. So I'm just going to split out everything. And this is perfectly okay and fine for me. Okay, so split everything. Now I can delete every other part here. Now, because it's TikTok, and with this video right here, I can add subtitles, right? So I'm going to add subtitles right here. And I'm going to say auto subtitle in English, create subtitles, and it's going to proceed right now to start generating my subtitles. Now, it's going to generate subtitles for me, and I would see what it looks like. So the subtitles have been generated right now, and I want to go ahead and play this video.
I need to constantly
So you guys can
remind
see the subtitles.
myself over and over again, I am not yet where I want to be, but I know I'll get there.
Good. So this is done right now, and what I want to do next is to proceed and download this video. So I'm going to click on export this video. But right now, because we're using a free account, this video is going to be exported with the watermarks and all. But on the Video.io platform, you have the access to be able to take off watermarks by subscribing on their paid premium plan, which is going to cost you $12 monthly. Now, $12 converting into Naira, if you're in this same part of the world like I am, that is about 7,000 to 10,000 Naira. And that is actually a very suitable investment you can make if you want to grow this and make money for yourself. Now, once you've been able to create this particular video in less than 5-10 minutes, then you want to think next about the audience that you're going to be following. You want to follow people that are in your target market audience. And once you have done that, you'll be getting a couple of follow backs. But then you also want to be focused on the content frequency of your uploads on the TikTok space. Now, TikTok is a space that will give you everything you want when it comes to followings, as far as you're able to post frequently in the particular space. So you should be thinking of targeting about 3 to 5 contents every other day. And this is something that you can actually do within 30 minutes, meaning that with 30 minutes of content on 3 to 4 content, that is just 2 hours, right? Now, every other thing is going to be simply automated because you don't have to market or sell any product to your audience. Just focus on growing that particular TikTok account. Once you have been able to grow your account to over 1,000 followers, you'll be given access to adding a link on your bio. And this is exactly what we want to achieve very fast. Now, this is something you can do under 7 days with uploading as much as 5 content every other day. You can get 1,000 followers on TikTok under 7 days. And once you've been able to achieve that, we want to add the link to a product we're going to be selling right there on our TikTok account. Now, in order to get the link to the product we're going to be selling, we are going to be using ClickBank. Now what you want to do right now is to access your ClickBank account, and you want to go over to the marketplace, right? And once you're here on the ClickBank marketplace, you want to proceed to the niche in which you're already creating content around, because you want everything to be in the same flow. Your audience are going to be following you for the simple reason that you are creating motivational content, and you want to keep up with that even to the product you're going to be selling. And because you are in the motivation and the self-help niche. So coming here on the left hand side, we have several programs right here. There's a time management program. There is a time management program, the survival program, success, stress management, self-esteem, self-defense, public speaking, personal finance, motivational, marriage, a whole lot of them. So I'm going to click on motivational and transformation now, and you can see right here that we have a product that is topping this particular category. And for this particular product, I want to go ahead and look at this product first and see what it is and what is in it. So I'm going to click on this particular link. It brings me up here to this page. This is the page of this product. And it has some testimonials. And here people are going to be accessing the code, the shift, the audio files and all. Okay, just for $27. Awesome. So this is one that I can sell. And coming right back here to the marketplace, I want to go ahead. Now, right on here, you can see that this is $25, meaning that you are going to be earning $25 for every conversion you have. So everybody that buys this particular product earns you $25. And beyond $25, you also get access to several upsells and several downsells and also other bumps that can also fetch you a couple of more dollars from this particular space. Now I'm going to go ahead right now and click on promote because I'm okay with this, and I'm going to put in my nickname. Once I put in my nickname right here, I can click on the hop link and I can copy. Now this link is the link that will take everybody right to my page. I can open it up on incognito for a test, and once I open this up for test, it's going to bring me over to the sales page directly. Now I've been able to create a video on how you can actually set up your own bridge page for your ClickBank affiliate sales, and you can see that video here right now. I'm going to leave it in the description as well so that you can also get to watch that video and set this up for yourself. At the same time, guys, most of you guys in my country are not going to be able to access your ClickBank account, and I have a full 6-step walkthrough on how you can set up your ClickBank account from anywhere in Nigeria and different part of Africa. So click the link in the description to get access to this 6-step walkthrough on how to set up your own ClickBank accounts. Now, once you've been able to do this and you've also been able to create your bridge page, I want you to proceed to copy the link to your bridge page and you paste it on your TikTok bio, right? You're gonna paste it on your TikTok bio where that position that has the link for websites, right? Paste it right down there, and you can proceed to keep on creating content every other day on this particular channel. Now, the major thing is the fact that with your audience growing, you can actually go ahead and tweak your bio and direct people to that particular link, right? You're directing people to that particular link. Now, the beautiful thing here is the fact that you're going to be having a US audience, and with your US audience, you are sure to gather up a couple of sales right on this product. Now, with these sales you're making, you can actually get to accumulate over $1,000 to $2,000 every other month from this particular side hustle. It might take you a month or two to build up this particular side hustle to $1,000 monthly, and you're only going to be paying subscription for Viddos.io, which is around $12 every other month, and this makes it a very good investment for the amount of money you are going to be making in this particular space. Now, in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize TikTok in several other ways. And in order to get access to this series of content and be notified by YouTube that I've uploaded these videos, you have to make sure that you're giving this video a like, and as well subscribe to the channel, especially on the bell icon, so that you do not miss those subsequent videos I'm going to push into you guys. Make sure to leave your questions and your comments on this video in the comment section below so that we can actually interact and I share with you guys some more insights on how you can actually scale this very fast. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.